Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add audio compression effect in Camtasia. So firstly, you can see the video. This video I have made and I give the voiceover here. So I'll just click and hold and drag to the timeline. Okay, now you can see the sound is here. This one is sound, which is up and down. This one the sound. And now if you want to add your audio compression here, you have to click on the left hand side. If you can't find the audio compression, you have to click on more, this more option. Click on more, then you'll find here audio effects, but you may find it here also, but if you can't find here, you have to click on more and click on audio effects. Now you'll find here audio compression on first. All you have to just left click from the mouse for and hold for 1 second and drag it to the timeline, to the video. And now you can see that a line has been up, a straight line has been up over the voice. Okay, that's mean audio compression has been applied. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.